What is crypto? A beginner's guide to cryptocurrency in 2025. Welcome to today's video. Are you curious about cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In this beginner-friendly guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about crypto in 2025. From what cryptocurrency is to how it works, its potential benefits, and the risks involved, this video is your ultimate starting point for understanding the crypto world. We'll start with the basics, explaining what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Learn about blockchain technology, decentralized finance, DeFi, and the role of crypto in today's financial system. Popular cryptocurrencies in 2025. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer altcoins making waves, we'll highlight the most prominent cryptocurrencies and their use cases. We'll guide you through practical uses for crypto in 2025, including online payments, trading, staking, and more. Cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities, but it's important to understand the risks. We'll discuss volatility, scams, and market uncertainty, and how to protect yourself as a beginner. Ready to take your first step into the crypto world? We'll explain how to set up a wallet, buy your first coins, and the basics of trading cryptocurrency responsibly. If you're ready to explore the world of crypto or even combine it with forex trading, having a reliable platform is essential. Use the link in the description or pinned comment to open an account with a trusted broker offering both forex and cryptocurrency trading. A secure, feature-rich broker is key to managing your investments confidently in the ever-changing world of crypto. If this video gave you clarity on cryptocurrency, don't forget to checkmark like this video to show your support. Checkmark subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides, trading strategies, and market insights. Checkmark share this video with friends who are curious about crypto in 2025. Have questions about cryptocurrency or want to share your experiences? Drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help or hear your insights. Let's create a supportive community where we can all learn and grow together. Don't wait. Start exploring crypto today. Open your account using the link below and take your first step into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and forex trading. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Understand the future of money, invest wisely, and take control of your financial journey.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.